But what we know now is that the body has energy in it. When you measure an EKG, what's it measuring? Electricity, electrocardiogram, the electrical impulse that makes the heart beat. An EEG, the electricity in the brain. So a group of neurocardiologists and researchers in California who formed a group called HeartMath have been able now to measure the energy frequency that the heart creates. It creates a frequency that's not just in you, that goes around you. This is a picture of it. They can measure this frequency, electromagnetic field is what it is, that goes out 8 to 10 feet. 360 degrees, your heart is projecting. Isn't that interesting? Now, this is something you've always known, but you didn't have the data. You can feel people, can't you? I know you can, if you're quiet enough. Part of what I would say is, in order to find calm amidst chaos, you have to find your center. In order to feel someone else, you have to be in your center. You have to know who you are. You have to know who you are. Because when you don't pay attention to what matters most to you, that becomes the matter with you. Your heart radiates out 8 to 10 feet, 360 degrees around you, and it creates something that looks like a radio broadcast. It's a frequency. Do you know what I'm saying? So you're walking around and you're broadcasting 103.7, classical, you know? And you encounter someone who's on hip-hop, and, you know, your vibes just don't match, right? This happens all the time. You are in control of what you broadcast. Isn't that interesting?